Welcome, today we're going to show you how to disconnect a domain from Squarespace. So the first thing that you need to do is to log in into your account on Squarespace and make sure to log into the right account. After that, from here, you need to actually go to the domains, and if you have a connected domain, you can actually open the domain settings. After that, now you will see the domain settings like this. You need to go to domains and email, as see from here. After that, you will see the domain settings like this. You need to actually go to domains and emails. After that, you need to click on disconnect domain. So now from here, it will give you another prompt to confirm the disconnection of the domain. You need to confirm that you want to disconnect this domain from your website. Click on disconnect, and now this domain will be disconnected from your Squarespace account. So you will no longer have the access to this domain, but you can add it again. All the configurations with the domain will stay the same, but the visitors of the website can no longer see that domain. So that's it. That's actually how you disconnect a domain from Squarespace. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.